I'm here with Tomas, and we are at the kitchen at Second Harvest in Spokane. We're joined by Laurent Zarate, chef and owner of Fleur de Sel Restaurant and Creperie. So thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me, Christy.
And we have the fun task of tasting some recipes that have been sent in by our viewers.
Tough job.
Yeah, tough job, right? And each recipe contains a certain ingredient that we feature in our show. And so today we're talking about zucchini.
Zucchini.
Which in the summertime, who doesn't have zucchini?
Oh, I don't know. That big?
That's right, and they grow fast. You can't contain a zucchini, man. Those things go nuts.
But it's a fun kind of, your own little garden.
Yeah, it's easy to grow.
Right.
And one little thing you can do also is to pick the blossom. When they go into a flower, you pick the blossom, you take off the pistil inside, and you deep fry them. You put them in a batter, you deep fry them, or you fill them. And this is a delicacy. Zucchini, there's so many things you can do with zucchini. It's an Italian vegetable brought in the 20s by immigrants. And they are the summer squash. To me, it's the summer, It's not only the zucchini are green, but you have those yellows, you have those, so many different kinds of
and you're right, you can do so much with it.
More than zucchini bread.
Right.
Yes, exactly.
I've made zucchini fritters before, which my family loves. Kind of like a pancake that you fry, shred it up, and that sort of thing. But you can put it in baked goods, you can bake it, you can, in this case, we are making lasagna.
I love the
with
idea.
Zucchini.
Yes.
So I'm guessing that means that instead of noodles,
layers of zucchini.
Layers of thinly sliced zucchini, right? Have you ever done that before?
I have a vegetable lasagna on the menu, and it has zucchini inside.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is from Karla, and it's called Mexican Zucchini Lasagna.
Mexican
And
flavor.
she says, of course, she has an abundance of zucchini, and we love having our own little gardens, right, and growing that sort of thing, but also just the numerous small farms that we have around Washington.
All those, the farmers market that you can have access to in our state is beautiful. The summer is a fantastic season, and zucchini is everywhere. And
it's a staple.
Yeah. So we get to see how the Mexican zucchini lasagna is made, and then we get to taste it.
Cannot wait.
That looks amazing.
Oh, I cannot wait.
Yeah, this has, if you have leftover taco meat or something like that from Taco Tuesday. And so the noodles, in quotations,
replaced by the
zucchini.
Zucchini. It's got a good spice
It's a great
to it.
way to get your kids to eat zucchini.
Yeah, for sure.
Right?
Sneak
Because they
those
would never
vegetables
know.
I know, perfect. I think it's a good balance.
I like it.
And you could garnish this with sour cream or some
Good.
green onions or something like that.
Cilantro on top.
Cilantro on top, yeah, for sure.
Mexican.
There we go.
There you go.
And are you confused since this is a lasagna, which is Italian
Well,
and Mexican?
It's all
and you're French?
international. It's all international.
It's all international, yeah.
Perfect.
We love it. What a great
Thank
way
you,
to
Karla.
use it. Yeah,
Thank you,
Karla.
To get Karla's recipe for Mexican zucchini lasagna, visit wagrown.com.